HSS will be offering a residential alarm system with a DMP Made in America wireless alarm system, including control panel, touchscreen keypad, integrated cell dialer, integrated Wi-Fi connection, wireless siren, motion detector, and up to 3 door contacts installed for $0 down. Monthly monitoring for as low as $39.95 per month ACH and requires a 36-month contract. Monitoring includes DMP Unlimited app for smart devices. You'll need to have at least a 650 credit score on the Experian alarm model to qualify. A non-refundable $25 application fee will credit towards first monitoring payment upon arrival. First month monitoring of $39.95 less the $25 application fee, totaling $14.95, will be collected at the contract signing. Contracts will need to be signed at our office prior to installation. Serving Middle Tennessee for over 21 years. So call us today at 615-444-1400.